Wow. God, you can almost see the hair on that. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Hi guys, I'm back in Dar Es Salaam and I'm around my Filipino friend's house and he's going to show me how to make chicharrón, which is a bit like pork scratchings in the UK, but it'd be interesting to see how you actually make it properly. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that by the help of my friend Roy. Over to you, Roy. Ron, you got to show me how to make chicharrón. I already seen the pot. God, there's a lot of... Wow.
First you have to buy skin, pork skin. They have Chinese.
Okay.
Then,
you didn't cook it from the lechon, no?
From there, okay, you will bring it here, remove the fats. Remove the fats. After removing the fats, you have to cut into squares, small square. And after you finish all those cutting, you have to bring upstairs for drying in the sun. At least 6 hours.
So is that where it's been?
No, this one is already finished. After 6 hours drying, you have to cook it 3 hours.
So do you cook it? Where do you cook it? In the oven or?
You have to cook in the oven in the low fire for 3 hours.
In here?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
So after cooking 3 hours.
3 hours.
This is the finished product of cooking. Finished product of cooking. But this is not the finish yet for.
So it's been dried and cooked.
Then you have to cook this one in the deep fry in the oil.
Is that what you're going to do now?
Yes, this is what you do now. So when you're going to heat this one, you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes.
You have to wait, what, for it to warm?
To make it boil. And hot, very hot. I think 200 degrees. Like
God, the smell. What kind of oil is that?
This is the oil of pork, a pig. When you're cooking this one, the oil is coming.
Okay.
This is the one.
Okay.
This is the oil of the pork.
So when that was dried, then when you cooked it, the fat that came off.
The fat is the one. This is the.
Or is that all from that, or did you mix it with?
From this.
Really, that's a lot.
From this, the oil. It's all from this one. See?
Okay. Apologise for all the karaoke noise they're making. Now it's ready, and I think it only takes 20 seconds when you put the skin in. Okay.
Come out.
Oh, they rise to the top.
See?
Wow. Wow.
Go to the strainer, like this. Remove the oil. Yes. There's salt. Finishing salt. It's ready.
That's it.
That's it.
That's perfect. Amazing. Amazing. So they have the vinegar, I don't understand why.
Vinegar with this.
I prefer it on its own. It's a little bit like pork scratchings in the UK. So that was how to make chicharrón the Filipino way. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you like this, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.